How do you know you're in love with someone? How do you feel when you're in love with someone?
There's always an urge to see the person you love every time. You know, even when you're busy, you create time out of your schedule.
So how do you know someone loves you?
The person does the same thing.
Have you ever been in love?
I am married to someone I love.
I can see that. What's the experience like?
Trust me. It's the best feeling you can ever imagine. So how about you? Have you ever been in love?
No. I don't think it's worth it.
Okay, have you ever been hurt by somebody you thought you loved?
Maybe. Okay. So, what do you do to relax after work?
Is that part of the session?
Oh, are we in session?
Oh, anyway, I just go home after work. I'm an indoor person.
How does that feel?
It feels good.
So why counseling?
He was having his bath in the bathroom. Then his phone rang. Can you believe he jumped out of the bathroom because...
I have to jump because it is an important call.
You had to jump because it's an important call. How did you know it was an important call?
Because I'm spiritually inclined.
Hey, Woli Bode, spiritually inclined. Ma, he is hiding something on his phone.
Why do you want to know everything about my phone?
Because I am your wife. Yes.
You are my wife.
Mm-hmm.
See, you can't kill me.
Hey, you want to come back, but you don't kill yourself. Who is Ejiro anyways?
Ejiro?
Yes.
Ejiro is Ejiro. Madam, Ejiro is Ejiro.
But the Omate.
Ah.
Omate.
Omalue.
Ah. You want to beat me?
I will beat you.
You want to beat me?
I will beat the hell out of you.
Don't woman beater. Domestic violence. Beat me.
I will beat you.
Beat me. You know they love me in my house.
Can you please explain to my wife that we need to have sex when the light is on?
And please explain to my husband why the light has to be off.
Why should it be off?
Why will it be on in the first place?
Because I need to see your body for crying out loud.
Hey, have you not seen my body before? You should be familiar with it already.
Babe, before you got married to me, you know I'm an explorer. I need to see the whole of your body before I have sex with you. You know this.
Well,
should we go back every time?
Why, yes! Because you should be able to go with everywhere closed.
Oh.
Have it in your memory.
We need to go dark so that all our children will be dark for... Can you explain to my wife that I don't want dark children?
I should explain to
you. Yes. It is your job. That is why I'm paying you handsomely. Explain to her.
Wait. Did you say that you don't want... How does the light being on or off have to do with that?
All I want is that I want a child that looks like Grandma Akure.
But wait, is it Grandma Okure that gave birth to the child?
Oh, wow.
Why can't she look like Grandma Ogun State now?
No,
I don't get it.
That children, the lights have to be on.
It has to be off.
It has to be on. It has to be on.
Tell him it to be off.
Tell her it has to be on.
It to be off.
Oh, you won't tell her. She will pay you your balance.
He will pay you the balance.
Your money.
Am I the one that
promised? Play with your money.
He will pay you. It will be off.
Okay.
Baby, you look good. Ooh! Come on now.
How are you?
I'm good, man. God damn, man. Look at what I'm working with. Man.
What?
So I've decided that I'm going to be a driver today.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to take you to work. And then after work, I'll come back and pick you up. Just call me your designated driver.
Nice. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Okay, so how about movie date night afterwards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like ice cream pizza and all?
It's gonna be fun.
Ice cream and like
What?
no, just never mind. Never mind.